Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. We are unboxing a favorite of mine, VineOh. VineOh is a wine and lifestyle subscription box, which is so perfect for me. I have been subscribing to them on again and off again for years, like 3 or 4 years. But as you guys have noticed, if you've been on the channel recently, subscription is back on. They always on top put the little cards about all the things, whoopsie, there we go. All the different things that are in the box. I'm not gonna peek at these because I thoroughly enjoyed the surprise of unboxing and looking at it. Then we can loop back and see what all they have to say. VineOh is a quarterly box. It is $59.99 with $120 plus value in every box. Every box I have ever received has exceeded the value. I have not gotten one that has fallen below the mark. You get to choose between red, white, or mix on your wines. And in every box comes 2 bottles of wine and 5 to 6 full-size items. However, if you subscribe through me right here on my channel, I am able to give you a free 3rd bottle of wine for the lifetime of your subscription, plus an add-on gift. Use code TPE when you're checking out on the link below to snag this deal. These are my favorite type of containers to see come out of any box. All right, slide that over here. So I got in my bottles of wine, Night Vine 2018 California Chardonnay. I have never tried this guy before. He's brand new to me. But the Speechless brand, this is a California Merlot, is one that's in pretty often and I love it. I already know that that is yummy. And I think this is the bonus gift they're giving for this month when you use my coupon code. You get this glass for your wine. You guys, look at the size of this glass. I wonder if this is one of those wine glasses that holds a full bottle. The jumbo stemless wine glass, 30 fluid ounces, holds 1 full bottle of wine. I love the concept of this, but also know that this is a dangerous glass to use because then before you know it, you've drank 1 full bottle of wine. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the free gift they're giving right now. And my free gift bottle of wine for this box is New Crush Riesling. New Crush is a brand that they send pretty often. It is one I love. I hate Riesling. Sorry VineOh. But this is great because I never buy Riesling because I don't like it. And then a guest comes over or a friend comes over. It's like, do you have Riesling? And I'm always like, no. So I'll set this little puppy aside and let VineOh bail me out the next time guests come over. I'm gonna be like, but of course I have Riesling. Okay, now let's dive into what comes in the box. Dun, 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 dun. Legally Addictive, the OG cookies made from crackers, toffee, chocolate, and sea salt. Gosh, those sound so good. So good. What is this? Wet Brush Pro, the Pro Detangler hairbrush. Not gonna lie, this is a pretty rogue item to receive. How random. It is a super cute paddle brush. I am a curly girl, so I don't brush my hair. I brush my hair the one time when I'm taking the shower with a super specific brush. So I won't use this, but I will not hold on to this for more than a few minutes. The minutes my kids get back from school, my youngest is gonna grab this and take off with it. She is going to love it. She's going to think it's beautiful, and actually, the paddle brush is probably a lot softer on her hair than the thing I'm using right now. Okay, not a win for me, but a win for my kiddo, and I'm about that. Next is Revitalizing Cuticle Oil, Milk and Honey. So there we go. I don't know how to say the name of this brand, and I've actually gotten their products in several boxes recently. I have not received a cuticle oil. This is the first time I've gotten it. And I actually love cuticle oil. I work out in the yard a lot. And I'm also doing the DIY flip on this house. So if you subscribe to the channel, you're gonna start seeing a little bit more of that. I'm gonna try to share some more of our stuff we're doing. We've been doing it for years. I'm just really bad about sharing it. So cuticle oil is great for me because I tear into my fingers so bad, and that revitalizes and makes me have feminine hands again. These are Zaxi by Stephanie Taylor, and they are clear CZ studs. I love these because I wear my real diamonds most of the time, but then when we're going to like the lake or we're going to the pool and I don't want to keep all my real diamonds in, especially if we're camping, I can put these on and I don't care if they get bumped, bruised, banged, lost, and those actually look really good, like good quality. The Lady Flask, 7.8 ounces, and it's like a Yeti type material. It says it's vacuum insulated. Huh. So I could pour a chilled white wine in here and seal it and it would keep it. That's cool. It has a little clip that you can hang it on. Super cool. Okay. Now we can bounce over to the cards. So this box in particular, not counting my freebie, so that's a freebie and that's a freebie, comes to a $139 value. The wines range in price from $21 to $26 a bottle. This guy actually comes in 5 different colors. And one of the things that's really cool is on these cards, it talks about the product, but at the very bottom, it gives the website where the product came from with a promo code. So if you love this, you're like, this is so unique, I want to get these for my bachelorette, you can go order more. It's not like these are one-off products you can't get your hands on. They actually hook you up with discounts to get more of them. Oh, I'm noticing on the wet hairbrush, this one's a blue one and mine's a pink one. So it does look like they're sending the hairbrush out in a few different colors. And that is one of the things VineOh does, is not all the boxes are the exact same. I guess the products are the same, but like this could be a different color or this could be a different color. Oh, it says on here for these guys, these are sustainably sourced and non-GMO ingredients. Good to know. Okay, make sure you guys use that amazing coupon code of TPE so you get the free bottle of wine and the free glass. If they do run out of this, they usually send a different promo. Last time it was another type of wine glass. The time before that was a cute little chic wine bag. They have a few good items up their sleeve. Okay, here are my thoughts. I'm a longtime VineOh subscriber. I love their stuff. However, it's like not gelling with me that this is $139 plus in value, which is just the evaluation that VineOh gave it. So I grabbed my phone and I looked up this bottle, which is a great bottle, by the way. Like, this is a cool bottle. I wish I would have gotten one of the cooler prints. Like, there's a really pretty floral, there's a pretty crisp white, there's a pretty crisp pink, there's a marble one. I got the boring black one, which means my husband's gonna steal it. He's gonna be so happy about it. But I found these online for about $15. Like, in several places you can get it. Walmart 15, off Saks Fifth Avenue for 10. The actual Asobu website, the brand website, $19.99. Here they have it listed for $30. So that's a little bit of an overvaluation. So let's give it the $15 value. If these bottles of wine are truly $20, like they say they're 21 and 26. Well, here's our value. The box only costs $60. So we got our value in just the wine alone. Let's bump this down to $15 each. Let's say the bottles are $15 each. Well, 15, 15, 15, we've still got the box value. So the value is there. I just kind of think the other items, this is like one of those fun things that are, you know, whatever, that's a free gift. It's a little rogue. It's a little random. It's not as continuous as I feel like VineOh normally is. Would I cancel my subscription? No, because I've gotten my dollar's worth. In all honesty, I will wear these to the lake. I wear fake jewelry when we go to the lake. So these will get used. The Cuticle Oil will get used. I've already told you why. It's a product that I would use. My daughter is going to love this and steal this, and my family is gonna eat it. Everything here I feel like has purpose. I'm just not as like swept off my feet as I normally am with VineOh. Normally I'm so swept off my feet. I put one earlier in the video and I put another one here so you can see the past boxes and kind of get a feel for what I'm talking about. Their boxes are really great. This one just left me, I don't know, feeling a little less enchanted than normal. If you're a VineOh subscriber, I would love to know your thoughts on this box versus the past boxes. Maybe I'm just in a mood today and another VineOh subscriber will get on and be like, Sam, stop, this is a great box. So comment below and let me know what you think, either just watching the video or a current subscriber, what you are experiencing with your box. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you have an absolutely amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.